I'm going to demonstrate again how to get your data set and then start figuring out how to make your machine learning app from it. So I'm going to do one based on the movie statistics, and I'm going to predict my gross. So if I click on how much money they're going to make, their revenue, and then I'm going to go based on, I'm going to do their budget, the genre, and let's see if I can do by score. I'm going to add rating in and see if that will give me a good accurate model. I need 80% or higher, so that's 81, so I'm good to go with this. I'm going to try it out and see if it works. So when I click on this, I'm going to do a budget of 3 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Score, I'm going to give it an 8, and I'm going to say it was a action movie, and the rating was R. I'm going to predict it's gross. So this is, it could predict how much money a movie is going to make based on these other features, which is actually pretty useful for movie theaters, or not movie theaters, companies that make movies, so producers and other film places that deal with that. Now we're going to have to give the model a name. So my model name, mine is going to be gross revenue predictor. This app could be used to predict how much money a movie will make based on its budget, genre, rating, and overall viewer score. Limitations, I assume this does probably not. It had a decent amount of data. I would say be cautious about using this model for independent films or films that don't meet mainstream genres, because it might not be quite accurate from that. Here's the stuff about the data set. So it's movies from 1986 to 2016. Newer movies probably might be a problem as well, because the limited year range for the movie information gathered may make it less accurate with today's types of movies. So I'm going to enter that in and save. There's my thing. It does all of that and put all that information for me. And when I click finish, I now have saved my data model. And that's the first step of this project, is saving that data model once we have it going. Now you can see I had something else in here. I'm going to get rid of it. It was from last quarter. The next video will show you all the rest of this. So this is just making your data model.